today's the day I get my nails done. Right now they're this butter yellow, but I am getting a design for the first time in a very long time. I'm so excited. So let's go to the nail salon now. These are actually my most favorite nails of all time. Like, tell me they're not the prettiest nails you've ever seen in your life. We're going to get a haircut. My hair is looking insane. It's getting super frizzy and dry and just too long. I live in Florida and it's just not comfortable to have this much hair on your back every day. I'm gonna apply the Rhode Peptide Eye Prep because I'm exhausted at 6:30 a.m. These are essential to my life. I just feel so much more refreshed. It just helps me wake up so much. I am so happy with my haircut. I love my curtain bangs so much. I miss them. And she made it so voluminous this time. She was styling it, which I never really get done, but we're like, we're doing the video, we're doing the glow up, we have to do the full effect. I last minute picked up some accessories, so I wanted to show you guys. I have my little matcha with me, it's so good. I actually won this in a giveaway. My friend owns a brand called Studio Boveda, which is curated thrift finds. It's so cute. Literally bought a whole new outfit based on this purse. It needs a moment for sure. So I ended up getting this set from Meshki. What I really like about it is this little gold detail here in the middle. Beautiful long sleeve. It's gonna be pretty cold on this trip. I got the skirt to go along with it. So you need the matching set moment. I love how it wraps at the waist here. This crossbody bag in white, because I feel like white will just go with everything. Very spacious, and it's actually an anti-theft bag. I got some New Balances because I realized it's going to be raining a lot of the time. They're not like, oh my god, the cutest shoes I've ever seen, but they're very practical. These are the golf version. New Balance 574, which I actually have this style in a few different colors. Apparently they're waterproof, so I guess we will see. I really hope they are. Okay, the process was so quick I didn't even get to film it, but it looks so much better. But now my eyeshadow looks worse. I'm so excited for this flight tomorrow. I got a 3D whitening strips by Crest. These are so good, life-changing honestly. So this is another part of the glow up that we're gonna need to do. So you apply these for like around 30 minutes usually. Okay, they are on. Ooh, like a hot chocolate bar. This is insane. This is crazy. Do you want the house tour? Let's see what's in here. Oh my god, they have eye patches too. And then you get some headphones, and then I think these are slippers, I'm pretty sure. So this is the appetizer, like a little salad, and then a little caprese moment. I'm laying flat, and it is so nice. This is like the craziest, most beautiful experience ever.